So we have like 2 small mouthfuls each of water. I think we're gonna make it. If not, you guys will find this video. And remember, bring more water next time. See you guys at the peak. Good morning, guys, from Hong Kong, day 2. I just wanted to show you guys what the room looks like. So there's Ing, bathroom, shower, yeah, and the bed. Our friend recommended that we go to the Peninsula Hotel. There's like some luxury cars apparently, so we're gonna go there, get a coffee, and then one of the things we want to do is the Nunnery and the Victoria Peak, which we'll do at around probably sunset, I guess. The lift is broken, so we're walking down the stairs. There's like a netting in case you fall. I feel so much different the second day that you're out. Like the first day, everything's just kind of like a blur. You're enjoying it, but the stress from the traveling and then waking up at 3 a.m. as we did for our flight, you feel kind of like disassociated. What do you think of the city so far, Ing?
Good.
Expensive?
I like the street. The style look like a life okay. Cyberpunk.
There you go.
Winter must be nice, right?
Yeah, winter. I think it'd be cooler.
This summer, hot month.
Alright, we're here at the Peninsula. So we're gonna go inside and see if we can get a coffee. Although I don't drink coffee, but Ing will have a nice coffee. Get her going, you know? Alright, let's see if they let us inside. So we finished, I guess, the brunch at the Peninsula. We just came there for coffee, but then they gave us croissants. It was kind of private, so I didn't want to film that much. I felt like they wouldn't want us to film in there without getting like permission, so I tried to capture what I could. And like there was important people in there, I guess. I didn't want to film them. For that, it was like $30. Including Ing's coffee and my iced chocolate, which is really nice, by the way. Yeah, I think it was worth it. So that was the Peninsula. Where should we go next, Ing? Lin Nunnery. So we're gonna try first Hong Kong, like a street snack, kind of like a fried leek dumpling. Could be good. Hot. Hello, right?
ไม่มองหรออ๋อไม่เผ็ดวะ
ไม่เผ็ดเผ็ดเหรอ
ไม่รู้ไอ้ตอนนี้มั้ง
So we're walking to the Nunnery now. Just got some water from 7-Eleven. Man, the prices of everything in Hong Kong are way more than Thailand. Like if you have US dollars, your money will go a lot farther in Thailand than Hong Kong. Really, any Asian country, Japan, Taiwan, China, you visit Thailand, your money will go much farther. I guess it depends. If you want really good public transport, Hong Kong probably wins. But with the same money in Thailand, you can just take a taxi everywhere because they're relatively cheap. Anyways. So this is the garden. I think that is the entrance to the nunnery. Oh no, that's the Chinese Timber Architecture Gallery. Huh. Wait, is a nunnery, is that a garden? Oh my god, hold on, let me check.
ใช่สำนักชีนั่นน่ะ the nun
Nuns?
NUN
I don't know much about rocks. That might even be inappropriate to call them that. So I'm thinking we're actually already in the nunnery. So the whole thing is like a garden. There might be certain buildings that make up the nunnery, but I think we're kind of in it. I don't know, I'm confused a bit, but it's nice anyways. Have a look. So this is really nice, so I'm just gonna take a minute or two to soak up the peacefulness. Well, I think that's all for the...
It looks like a lactose
It looks like a what?
lactose
A what?
lactose
Lactose? Lactose?
L the ผักอะ lactose
Cactus?
what in hamburger
Hamburger? Lettuce. Lettuce. Oh yeah, it looks like lettuce. Well guys, we're finished here up at the nunnery, and Ing wants to, of course, go to some place to take a photo. So we're gonna walk. How far is it?
15 minutes
15 minutes walk and to take a photo for her memories. And then we're doing the peak later. So yeah, just trying to find out how to get out of this place and then walk to Ing's fabulous photo bonanza. It's very important when you come here, no frolicking and running. So when you come to the Nianling Gardens, make sure you do not frolic and no running. $5,000 steps already walked today.
เริ่มไล่แล้วก็ต้อง
30 minutes later, we're still trying to find this place that allegedly is the best place in Hong Kong to take a photo. Will we find it? I think the odds are 50-50, but we'll see. At least we found a bus station here. Can I see the maps? Choi Hung Estate. Okay, basketball court. It reminds me of when I was living in Shenzhen for a bit. It reminds me kind of like of one of those, the community that I was in. Oh, but look at this, there's this nice bakery here. Tokyo Bakery. So yeah, you got everything in here. You can stay here. The rent's probably, I mean, I don't know, but I guess it might be a little cheaper than other parts of the town. And then you can bus in to wherever you're working in the main part of the city. Yeah, very chill. This is probably where I would live. But I gotta give it to Ing, because I actually like this place. It kind of shows you how most people might live here.
It's safe when I have people here.
There we go. Came to the place where everyone is taking photos. So we just topped up our octopus card, and then the plan is we're gonna take the tram on the way up. It's supposed to be a 7 minutes ride or a 1.5 hour hike. But we're gonna take it on the way up, and then on the way down, I think we'll just walk. You know, save a little cash, do some more exercise. So yeah, join us as we go up to see the Victoria Peak. St. John's Cathedral. I think we're getting closer. There's the line for the tram. Ing decided she wanted to walk up to the peak trail. It should take an hour, it says. So we should arrive about 30 minutes before sunset. And then as we gaze onto the beautiful city, we will then take the tram back down, where there's less queues. If we can find out where the road is. I think it's over here. So this could either be the best idea or the worst idea. But I see a hiker walking down it, and here comes Ing. Are you ready for adventure? We just saw a sign saying that there's 30 minutes left till the peak. So we have like 2 small mouthfuls each of water. I think we're gonna make it. If not, you guys will find this video. And remember, bring more water next time. See you guys at the peak.
Victoria Town.
We're at the peak tower. We're gonna get some more water, and then we will be going to the actual peak, which I think is over there. This is the view from one of the sides of the Victoria Tower. We heard that there's a road, Lugard, it's near the tower where a lot less people go, where we can go to see a better view. So we're heading there now. Oh, you guys can see like glimpses of the city from the trees.
Something fly?
Yeah, it's a plane, it looks like. Alright guys, well I think that is going to be the end of today's video. So we're at the top, and we're at the viewpoint. So, yeah, see you guys in the next video.